What do you do? My name is Arthur, back again with another video. It's been a while, guys, I'm not gonna lie, and you already know that on this channel I always find ways to make money with Bitcoin trading, Forex, and everything in between. So in this video we're just gonna go through AI Finex and everything that has happened. This is just an update regarding to trading with AI. As you already know, we started a series of trading with AI and stuff like that, and yes, we've been doing very well on this channel. So without further ado, guys, just get right into it without wasting time. And there's a lot of things to cover up in this video because a lot of strategies have changed and stuff like that. So if you haven't joined the journey, guys, make sure you use the link in the description below as well. Make sure you join the journey because you're missing out a lot. You know what I mean? So just gonna log in quickly on AI Finex. There's a lot of things to cover on AI Finex again, and let's get right into it. So there's a lot of adjustment going on with AI Finex, and you're gonna make sure that we go through all that in this video. And right here it says they updated since 1st of April, right? So let's just agree right here and click OK. Let's see what's happening with AI Finex. On the 1st of April, right, I got this email right here. They say they have updated minimum capital and of course stop loss for Titan and Sentinel strategy. All right, so you already know that on my account I'm using a Titan strategy and stuff like that, and this also affected me. So basically they changed minimum capital and stop loss from 300 USD to 400 USD. Reason why they changed that, because of conflicts in the Middle East, right? So you already know that there's a lot of things going on in the Middle East because of wars and stuff like that, and this whole thing affected the price of gold. And you already know that with AI Finex we trade with gold and stuff like that. However, this whole geopolitical tensions affected the market so bad that it was very volatile and stuff like that. AI Finex decided to change and adjust the minimum capital and stop loss. You know what I mean? So here it says, of course, these factors directly affected assets such as gold, the main instrument traded by the AI trader, making the execution environment more sensitive and sharp price movement, slippage, and rapid market direction changes. All right, so these are the reason why they decided to adjust minimum capital and of course stop loss. And I'm sure most of you who are using AI Finex and stuff like that to trade, you got this email. And however, here it reads, as to the 1st of April 2026, the minimum capital and stop loss will be adjusted according to the trading account. So if you have got cent account like mine, you already know that minimum capital is supposed to be 300 USD and right now is 400 USD. And if you convert that into cents, that's like from 30,000 to 40,000. All right, it's not really big adjustment, but it makes sense according to this whole thing that is happening to the Middle East and stuff like that. And this whole thing really affected the market. You know what I mean? However, not all accounts have been affected. For example, here it says accounts that have already met the minimum capital required based on account type, account with stop loss configured within the new parameters. So meaning that these are the accounts that have already met the minimum capital and minimum requirements. And of course, account using total balance stop loss mode with efficient capital. In these cases, no action is required. So to do the adjustment is very simple. Just deposit the required amount to your broker. As you already know that AI Finex does not keep your money and stuff like that. Your money is safe in your broker's account. You know what I mean? So all you have to do is just to add the required amount to your broker's account and of course resume the operations. So in this video, that's exactly what we're going to do. I'm gonna show you how exactly you can resume the operations and stuff like that and do all these changes in this video. So let's get right into it without wasting any time. But I just wanted to give you these updates that is going on right now. And of course, I also want to highlight that with AI Finex, you'll be getting all these daily performance reports on your email telling you how your AI is performing and stuff like that. Very good stuff. As you can see right now, this is my AI trading results of April, and you can see the dates, and it was showing me all the profits that it has made on this day and stuff like that. You can also see that these are recent results with 400 minimum required capital and stuff like that. So that's why here it's written 400 USD. Know what I mean? So it's very important to adjust your capitals and stuff like that as soon as possible. You don't have to delay this whole process, else the AI is gonna pause all the operations. You know what I mean? That's very important, and it's also written right here. You know, it says we strongly recommend completing the adjustment as soon as possible. And other that is just all these daily reports that you'll be, you know, getting on your email and updates and all that good stuff. So you already know that with AI Finex, this is actually one of the best strategy that I have ever tried on this channel. We never, you know, we never ran into losses and stuff like that, and that's very important for, especially for traders who really want to, you know, make it in crypto markets or forex markets and stuff like that. It's just way too easy because you don't have to, you know, do the technical analysis and stuff like that. You just have to let AI do trade for you. And other than that, AI is just way too advanced. It's not like a human being. A human being can make mistakes, or all this copy trading and stuff like that. Those people can make mistakes, but AI is very advanced, and we have seen it. You know, we have seen it trading in real time. We have seen it protecting our funds during volatile markets. We have seen it making good decisions every time. You know what I mean? So this is just an update of trading with AI Finex. Make sure you use the link in the description below as well. And other than that, you already know that you don't have to buy or pay anything for this AI. Your funds are on your Robo Forex, and of course you don't pay anything for this AI, because all you have to do is just take your profits and use your profits to buy more next points. And you already know that we only use next points to fuel up this AI so that it can operate on our accounts. But other than that, we use our profits to buy those next points, and are very cheap. So basically it's a free AI that trades for you 24/7. You don't have to do anything. And that's why I love it on this channel. And you guys are very interested in these videos and stuff like that, thumbs up. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this. So let's get right into it on AI Finex. As you can see, I still have like next points right here, like 21 next points. So we're not gonna buy more next points. And let's check operations right here. Here we go. So this is it again about minimum capital and stop loss adjustments. As you already know, we moved from 300 USD to 400 USD for accounts like Titan and Sentinel. You know what I mean? So because of the conflicts and stuff like that really affected us, and I think these adjustments are really important because of all this whole volatility and stuff like that, so that AI can also have room to operate. You know what I mean? So we already spoke about this, but all you have to do is just to deposit the required funds. So in this case, it was from 300 to 400. So if you have got 300 in your account, make sure you add 100 Rand to make it 400 in total, so that this AI can also continue operating and stuff like that. You know what I mean? Alright guys, so since my account has been paused right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and make deposit to my Robo Forex account, so that we can continue our operations, right? So we're just gonna do this right now. And if you don't know how exactly you can deposit, this is also a tutorial showing how exactly you can do that. So all you have to do is to come right here on your broker that you are using, and always remember that your funds are always safe on your broker's account, and AI Finex has nothing to do with your funds. So that's also one advantage. You can use a lot of brokers like EXCHENGES and stuff like that, and that's way cool because right now they have got a lot of brokers. You know what I mean? So your funds are always safe on your broker's account. So what you want to do is very simple. Once you create an account, you choose account type and stuff like that. You go ahead and click deposit right here. You know what I mean? So once you click deposit, and also one thing that you have to pay attention to is don't deposit on your demo account. Like right here, you can say this is a demo account. You have to deposit to your account that you created. All right. So mine is this one. I'm just gonna go ahead and click deposit, and you can see that you can use bank cards, e-wallet, and bank transfer, and then a lot of payment methods. All right. But I like using Binance Pay because it's very simple and stuff like that. So you're just gonna type right here the amount that you want to deposit. So I'm just gonna deposit right here and then activate my account. All right, guys, so I just made a deposit to cover up minimum required capital, and we should be okay right now. As you can see, it says your payment has arrived. So let's check, because they need 400 USD to get started. So now I've got 400 USD to get started, and I'm just gonna go ahead to AI Finex and then continue the operations. So to update your stop loss and your account and stuff like that, all you have to do is just to click this edit button right here, and then right here you're gonna have to edit this to 400, all right, to 400 USD. And other than that, all you have to do is just to click update account right here. So system is gonna check the required capital and then also update your account. So right now, as you can see, all I have to do is just to click this resume button like this, and then right here it says, do you want to resume operations on account? This is my account number, and then just gonna go ahead and click confirm, and then that's it. It's simple like that. So as you can see, my operations are now going on. As you can see, it says operating, so my account is back running again, and it was very simple, straightforward. So now I want to show you my results of March, because we didn't cover that up. I want to show you what really happened during March. All right, so as you can see, in the last 30 days, month of March, you can see we were up to 24% in March. All right, so this was actually good, because there was a lot going on in March, and this AI managed to bring some good results. You know what I mean? So I also want to show you my earnings for the month of March. All right, so let's go from 1 March up to 1 April and see what really happened. So as you can see, in March, this is what we got. We managed to make at least 79 USD, and we paid at least 15 USD for next points. And you already know that this AI used the next points as a fuel so that it can operate. So basically, we're only using our profit to buy some next points to fill up this AI, and we're not taking and we don't take anything from our pockets. And also, that's one advantage of using this AI. So visit, guys, my name is Arthur, and I just wanted to show you how exactly you can update your account if you've been struggling updating your account. And of course, I also want to show you how exactly you can deposit on your broker's account. If you're using Robo Forex, I made a full tutorial on this channel showing you how exactly you can get started with Robo Forex and also connect AI Finex to your account. But other than that, they have added a lot of brokers and stuff like that, and you can also, you know, use all other brokers as well. A lot of brokers can be used right now, and that's very important. You can use Robo Forex. If you have got an account with Robo Forex, it's very easy. You can just do exactly what I showed you on our first video. And they also have Black Bull, Perprim, and of course EXCHENGES. All right, guys, so I also wanted to show you that right now operations have resumed on our MetaTrader 5, and we're trading live, as you can see, and the AI has already started opening and closing positions right now in no time. As you can see, it has opened 2 positions. And also wanted to show you my previous trades. It has been closing and opening deals constantly in profits and stuff like that, and this was actually awesome. You know what I mean? So all the links gonna be in the description below as well. Make sure you use my link to get some bonuses and discounts and stuff like that. And thank you for watching, guys, and therefore I'll send the video. Love and peace, and cheers, guys.